Oh yes, you can actually start affiliate marketing without money. Affiliate marketing is so lucrative and it is very simple. Affiliate marketing is a business model whereby an affiliate gets paid for a product that is not his own. An affiliate gets paid for a product that is not his own. So how do you start this business? It involves three personalities. One, owner of the product, which you can call a vendor, and then you, who is an affiliate that is trying to promote this product, and then the last person involved in affiliate marketing is a consumer. For you to be able to earn as an affiliate, you need a consumer who is looking for the product that belongs to that vendor. That is how affiliate marketing goes. And affiliate marketing is a win-win program for everybody. Everybody in affiliate marketing cycle is winning, because by the time the consumer gets this product, he has won by getting what he was looking for, and you, who is an affiliate, you have actually won by getting this money that we are giving to you as a commission from the owner of the product. And the owner of the product also on the other side has won, because he also made money. So affiliate marketing is a win-win. But then you do not have money to start affiliate marketing. Answer is yes, you can start affiliate marketing without money. But listen to me, before you start your affiliate marketing business, you have to decide, you have to niche down, you have to pick a niche, a particular niche that resonates with you. Because if you do not do so, if you do not know a product you want to promote and then you go ahead to pick it, you are going to struggle, you're not going to make a dime. A lot of people who are into affiliate marketing, they just rushed into affiliate marketing because they heard people are making money from it. So at the end of the day, they are not making money and they are wondering why. And some of them even went ahead to say affiliate marketing is a scam. It's not a scam, and that's because affiliate marketing is a business you can do for a long period of time. 5 years from now, you're doing it and it's still paying. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, it is still paying. And it is a very good business model, because you do not need to create a product, you do not need to own anyone, and you do not need to own a shop. You do not import, you do not export. The problem is that a lot of people do not want to learn the process of how affiliate marketers do their thing and make their money. Now, I must warn you, before starting, make sure you know the product you want to promote. This product you must promote is a product you may have carried out research on. You know every question that should be answered on it. Questions are asked about this product. What can you answer about it? People do not buy from people who do not appear as though they are experts. If you do not look like you are an expert in that field, nobody is going to buy from you. And there are several lists on niches you can choose. You can choose niche on wealth, you can choose niche on health, you can choose niche on relationship. You can just go into any of these niche and pick, but do not be on health, on wealth, and then you are mixing everything. People will not see you as a professional. Now, one of the best way to start affiliate marketing without money is to go to Google, you search the best affiliate program. Search result will bring over 1,000 search results. But be careful when you're choosing, because some of these people do not permit some people in some country. So you have to be careful when you're choosing, so that you do not pick the one that doesn't permit your country. So when the search result comes out, you pick anyone that resonates with you and sign up with them, and so you become their affiliate. You have actually signed up for this program and you are now an affiliate, but then you don't have money and you must have to sell before you get paid. So how do you go about it? One of the best way to go and grow an audience is by going to social media, creating a content around this product you have decided to sell, and create a content always around these things you want to sell. By the time you keep talking about it, people will ask questions. People want to know. You grow your account, let's assume Instagram, you grow it 10,000, 5,000. People are there and they are going to ask questions, and from there you keep moving. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick platform. So when you're coming, do not come with the mindset that you're coming to make money. Come with the mindset that you're coming to help people. You're actually coming to help people who you're going to be recommending this product. By the time you create content on this product on a daily basis or twice a day, or just be consistently creating content on this product that you have decided to sell, By so doing, people will see it and then buy. So you need to generate leads. You have to be giving free tutorials, you have to be giving free ebooks, write books around it. When you write books around it, people will see you as an expert and they will buy that product from you, and you're making your money. But the truth to be told, some of the people who permit you to become their affiliate for free, you do not really make much from them. But then there are ones you have to pay some money to join, and those are the ones where you make a lot of money for any product you sell. So if you find your way around the one you can actually pay for them. They are good. Sometimes the free version of the affiliate marketing program doesn't really help. So you need to actually find a way to pay for the ones that you can afford. And if you're looking forward to actually go deep into affiliate marketing, I will recommend my book titled The Walkway to Affiliate Marketing, and I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is to check the description of this video, and then you get the ebook for free. Like this video if you're actually getting value, and please share it to your friends. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and do so right now. If it happens that you are now an affiliate, pick a product, make sure you know that product, and make sure you can ask every question that have to do with that product, so that people who are coming to you, people who you are nurturing about the product, they can trust you and then like you and be able to buy from you. Remember, this is a social media age, and you should be social. You should socialize with people so that they get to know about this product and they buy from you. Affiliate marketing has paid version and free version. Now what I'm saying is organic traffic and then paid traffic. When you join, the fastest way to grow is by running Facebook ad, pay money to get leads. You can actually not make money if you don't have enough traffic coming to your funnel. Your funnel can be WhatsApp, you can be on WhatsApp and anywhere. You can be on Facebook, you can be anywhere, just any social media that resonates with you, just do it. If you don't have enough people coming to your funnel, you cannot make that money. So you have to be able to create content, engaging content that people will see at all time, and they would want to know what is really happening here. I thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. I have a video on 3 things you must avoid if you want to start a business, especially online. You should check on that video and make sure you watch it so that you don't make mistakes that most entrepreneurs make, especially in this online space.